Hey baddies! Today's the day I'm here to do prom with my girl, Aaliyah! I was gonna do like the blue look I did a couple days ago that I teased. I'm gonna be the only girl with blue eyeshadow on her face, so I think we're gonna do something just neutral. My dark hair, I feel like I need to do something kind of smoky. I'm gonna do Miss Aaliyah's eyeshadow, so I'm very excited about that. We're gonna snatch her up. We put music on. Yeah. I filled my brows in with black and I feel like I look so much better. I need to dye them ASAP. Know what I'm doing right now? Not really. Am I just kind of winging it? Yeah. I think I want something bronzier because my look last year was cool toned and I feel like it was a little too just like soul sucker, you know? We spent the morning, we got coffee, we went to a little breakfast place. It was honestly really good. And now we're finally getting ready. It's like 2:30 right now. Do like a black wing and then smoke her out with browns, and I feel like that'll be the drama we need without doing too much. I always do too much. Okay, yeah. Brownie warmy tones are definitely the move right now. If I would have done cool toned, I would have felt a little too dead looking, so this is it. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of Urban Decay Space Cowboy glitter because we need to spice this up. It's prom. I literally apply this with my finger and oh my god, Urban Decay. I don't know what you put in this, but it's godly. Wow. Lashes make the biggest difference. I was like, what the fuck am I doing? But now I'm like, okay, we're moving on to skin. I want to be like kind of like coverage since my skin's doing really good. e.l.f. Halo Glow. We're both wearing blue dresses, so like we're kind of coordinating without even trying, which I love. My lip, baby, in the moment, you know. I leave tomorrow and I'm like low-key sad. I wish I spent longer here and with more time with Miss Aaliyah, but this will definitely not be the last. Oh mama, yes. Yes. Most of the products I'm going to use for like cream are going to be Westman Atelier. This is tried and true, okay? I like to add more coverage around my mouth because I feel like just a double layer won't hurt. This is where I'm going to start to really feel alive. I love me some bronzer. Aaliyah's playlist is cracking me up. Like Juju on the Beat is playing right now. Oh my god, yeah. I closed the window. The lighting is so much better. I feel like I'm doing a good job at keeping the skin like on the natural side. It's glam, but like a natural glam, right? Yeah, this is a good base. Super glowy. For such an important event, I'm doing my makeup so lazy. I swear I take my time when it's like not important, but on important days, I'm like, yeah, this is not happening right now. Go watch Aaliyah's vlog. Oh shit. How's the base looking? The rollers. Okay, I never do super glowy makeup like this, but I'm loving it right now. I slayed the house down. We're at the finishing touches. I just need to do my lips and add lashes. I think this is one of my best glams, and I like barely tried. I'm that bitch. Never fill in my whole lips, but I feel like today would be the day to get like the full coverage in there. Black lip look like genuinely good.
Dude, do you use the Sashi Beauty?
Yes, that's what I'm using right now. Oh, fuck. No. It's just like, this has been one of the worst get ready with me's I've ever made. This House Labs Glossy Balm yesterday. Let's see. Huh, it doesn't look like it's lifting anything like. Okay, slay, mama. It's the Miss Airy Wispy little extensions at the end, and it'll bring everything together. Okay, I was not feeling myself, but then Aaliyah came and hyped me up, so now I'm feeling better. It's super glowy and like sultry vibe. I love this lip, like really love it. Sachu Mauve, shit. A little more blush because it's never enough, honestly. Wow, I am kind of giving vampire. Kind of live. That with the L'Oreal like infallible, this is actually hairspray for your face. It smells like it and I can't breathe when I spray it. I think I need a smidgen more bronzer. Do my hair and Aaliyah's makeup. Y'all better go watch that. I'm so excited. Go to part 2. Okay, bye baddies.